Hi, Joe with EV Naturals here. We're at Euphoria Vapor today. I'm here to talk to you about some CBD oils. So the majority of oils are going to come in a bottle that looks something like this. All of them should have a dropper. Most droppers are going to be a 1 milliliter capacity. Depending on the strength of the tincture, that will dictate how much of the dropper you actually want to use. For example, if you had a 500 milligram bottle of oil, a full dropper would roughly equal 20 to 25 milligrams per serving. That is the recommended starting dose. Everybody is different, so we'll take some trial and error to figure out where you need to be, but that is the recommended starting dose. So there's a few different ways to use your CBD oils. A few of these methods include cooking with them, mixing them into a reasonable fatty beverage so that way the oil has something to bind to, or using them as a tincture. So a few examples of reasonably fatty drinks that you may want to mix your CBD oils into would include smoothies, milkshakes, coffee or tea if you drink them with milk and sugar so that the oils have something to bind to. Regardless of which one of our locations you go to, you'll be able to find either full spectrum or broad spectrum products depending on what you're looking for. The difference between broad spectrum and full spectrum: broad spectrum is going to be ultra filtered to the point where there is 0% detectable THC in the product. Full spectrum is going to include up to the legal limit of detectable THC. If you are looking to try and vape your CBD oil, you'll want to make sure that it is a vegetable glycerin base, as these are the only types of tinctures that you are able to vape. One of the most popular full spectrum CBD oils amongst our stores has been Pinnacle. They have a wide range of strengths going anywhere from 300 milligrams all the way up to 1800 milligrams. So after your trial and error period, figuring out what dose is going to work best for you, it makes it very easy to find the tincture that is going to fit your needs best. One of our more popular broad spectrum CBD oils has been Kokoro. The entire line is infused with MCT oil, which has been known to assist with digestive health. The last brand we're going to talk about today is Koi. Koi has been very popular amongst our customers for the reason being that they offer a few different options as to how you use them. The black box Kois are going to be a CBD oil suspended in a VG base so that you are able to vape these. Koi's other option is going to be their Naturals line. The entirety of the Naturals line comes in the brown boxes, and they are all going to be tinctures. You cannot vape them. Both options from Koi are going to be broad spectrum. If you are looking for a full spectrum product, definitely ask an associate to see what we have available. So that wraps up our most popular CBD oil options amongst our stores. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you check out our other social medias. We're on Facebook and Instagram. We have our own newsletter, our own blog, and a website. And make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smack that like button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, so the majority of tincture... No, I'm looking out the window. Fuck. I can't do that, huh?
You gotta look at the camera.
Yeah, I gotta look at the camera. Cooking with them, putting them into a liquid, a fucking water, drink. Okay. Alright, you just scoop it.
I'm out, Dad.
Well, the reflection. Can't have you reflect on this shit.
Okay, Dad.
Alright. Bring your grades up. A few examples of some reasonably fatty beverages that you may want to attempt to mix your CBD oils into would include some... I was going to say CBD. It's not fucking CBD. You're mixing CBD into CBD?
Let me pour my CBD into my CBD.
Hey, dog, we heard you like CBD, so we put some CBD into your CBD.
Real quick.
Well, I was just going to, like, pull things and then be like, all right, here's one of them. And then, yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. Here's one of them. Is that perfect?
Yeah, I love that.
Website, and make sure that you subscribe, smack the like button. I can't do that.